Hey guys, it's Emily Mazzotti from the Lux North Real Estate Group, and today we are in beautiful Lake Wahnapitae.
This one-of-a-kind home has 3 important things that I want to point out to you while you tour it with me. So first, topography, water, and views. Lake Wahnapitae is known for its crystal clear waters, beautiful boathouses, and northern topography. The water you see here is 4 feet deep, and you can see every groove at the bottom of the lake. 2. This home's income potential. This home is extremely cost effective, but more than that, it's income producing. First, with its rebate from the geothermal solar heating and cooling system, and second, from its separate in-law suite above the garage, which you are seeing right now. 3 is location and proximity. This home is technically only an hour and a half away from downtown Toronto because it's an hour flight right to our airport and then a 12-minute cab ride right to your door. So whether it be a home or a cottage, you're a short commute to Sudbury and technically a short commute to Toronto as well. This home is one that you definitely need to see for yourself. So if you'd like your own private tour, please give us a call. And alternatively, if you have a waterfront property that you'd like us to feature, please don't hesitate to reach out.